kami ngayon pumunta sa Chinese medicine. Ayun, parang dito kami sa mga sinita dumaan. Lunch?
Lunch here.
Perfect! Prepare na! Ayun, nandito na kami sa silk shop. Masarap yung siya, no? Ayan. Bakla, mag-take kayo ng picture. Ay, yes, ma'am. Uy, nice na di kaso. Kaso. Spice. Oh, it's raining. Yan. Madairy na lasang jasmine. Day 4 na. Day 4 na bakla. Yan. Breakfast na. Good morning, China. Hindi good morning, Philippines. Yan. Ito yung ano namin. Front. Ala, parang ano, Singapore din bakla. Ganito rin sa Singapore, oh. Nan. Ay, iba kasi yung ating ano, view last time. Yan. Dito kami banda sa may likod. Yan. Ambon-ambon na Guilin. China. Ayan, since snow rep, dito namin nilagay yung ano namin. So far, malamig naman siya. Good shit. Tipid sila dito. Alright. Day 4 na. Ang tour namin ngayon is pumunta kami ngayon ng Chinese medicine store. Osmanthus Museum. Visit Silk Shop. Hang out in East-West Street. Enjoy local snacks. Yeah. And sana masaya na naman yung tour namin. So far, ang nagustuhan ko yung kahapon namin na tour. Maganda yung mga spots na punta na. Yung first day kasi morning
Okay,
tour.
maganda umaga po. Good morning, 早上好。Okay, today the raining again. This time everybody go to the company or to the factory for working, and during the 5 to 7 o'clock, everybody will be off duty. They will go back to home. So during the third period in one day, there will be the serious traffic on the road. So
medicine.
Ayun.
Tissue.
Ay,
Si Aaron ka. Later. Gawa tayo ng ano tissue. This is for later.
Okay, so now please everybody come here now because we see this is the light from the heaven.
Wow.
Yeah.
它
Light
有
from
一
heaven.
个美好的祝福送给我们，就是健康的祝福。蓝色的那个手在我们西藏是代表药师佛的手，给我们客人送健康的。
Okay, so we see in the middle of the circle, we see the blue head. Did you see that? The blue head in the middle of the circle, the blue head. The blue head is from the medical Buddha, who is lived in the Tibet area. So they will, the medical Buddha will make the good bless for everyone. Everybody will heal in the future. So everybody we are standing in the middle of the circle, so we can share the light, which is from the medic Buddhism.
我们希望每一个客人都能够健康长寿，然后呢有一个健康的身体，到我们西藏去旅游，去看一看我们神奇的西藏。
Okay, so the lady sees, we make good wish for everyone to have the health situation in the future. You have the longevity life. So after that, you have opportunity to go to the Tibet for first.
我想问一下我们的客人有没有去过我们西藏旅游的呢？
Okay, so the lady want to ask you again, so you have been to.
Hey, ni hao.
Okay, so one more thing, now you take a photo here, inside, forward, so no photo. Okay, no photo.
Ayan. Binantahan lang kami dito sa sa Chinese medicine. Ayan. Tapos nakabili ako ng pang-spray sa mga joints. If meron kang sakit. Ayan. Ayan. Pero effective siya. After 5 minutes na effect yung na-spray dito sa paa ko. Nawala yung sakit. Yeah. Alright. Parang tagal Parang almost half day yung namin dito. Ayan. Snacks naman.
galit na sa kanya yung babae, patawad na din.
Lunchtime. Parang dito kami sa mga iskinita dumaan. Lunch.
Yeah, lunch here. Yeah, what do you say? Here, what do you say?
Salamat.
Yeah, we are over there.
Whew. Dok. Yan. Perfect. Prepare na.
Sino ang nakatokang mag-pray?
Si Pepe.
Ayun, nandito naman kami sa silk shop. Yeah. Silk shop. CR? CR. Okay, toilet na nga.
Cannot speak English, so I will be the translator again.
如果有什么不明白的问题，大家就可以跟导游讲，然后我再告诉大家就可以了。
Okay, so if you have any questions, so you can ask me directly.
首先欢迎大家来到我们广西桂林地景丝绸来了解我们中国的国粹。
Okay, so first of all, welcome to everybody come to this silk factory. The name of the silk factory is called the Dijing Circle. The fourth Chinese character here. The first Chinese character is Di. What's the meaning of the Di? Di is the emperor. So the second Chinese character is Jing. That means the silk. The name of this silk factory is called the Dijing 丝绸 in Chinese.
那我们广西的丝绸有什么不一样？来，我们里面请给你们
Okay,
介绍
what's
一
the
下。
difference? What's the special for what's the special advantage for silk which made in Guangxi province? Later I will show you. Okay, this way please.
Sabi.
Oh, wala yung ano nyo, alaga.
Guangxi. Dapat maganyan ganito na sa Manila.
Now we are here at Weiding City. Weiding City is located in the northern part of the Guangxi province. Here we see the little red fort. Here is called the Nanjing City. The Nanjing City is the capital of the Guangxi province. From the Nanjing City to the Weiding City is about 550 kilometers. So if you go to the Nanjing City by driving, it take about 6 hours by driving. Okay, it's not it's very far away. Okay, so on our both side we see a lot of the Mao bearing. Mao bearing. The Mao bearing is made good for the silk work. But before 20 years, a lot of
We're here in Silk Road. Parang museum siya.
with the old and traditional here. We take to here. I remember when I was a child, so I always like to see the silk work because the original was the old one. So the pupa, the silk pupa is white colored, but now the DNA of the silk work will change. So now we can see green, blue, and skin color. So the DNA are changed. That means the quality of the silk. The yellow in the ancient time, the yellow color just for the emperor, empress, and the royal family. If you are the normal people, you wear the clothes. You wear the jacket or clothes with a little yellow color. That means your whole family will be killed. Your whole family will be killed. Do you know why? Because the yellow color only for royal family, for emperor and empress. Okay, so on my right hand side, we take this one, so we see the flower. Flower is the national flower in China. It's called the cake flower, cake flower. So we also see the one animal on clothes. What animal is called the phoenix. The phoenix represents the queen, the dragon represents the king or the emperor in this time. Okay, on the left-hand side, we see this kind of clothes. This kind of clothing for the soldier, the royal soldier. The soldier just protect the royal family, including the emperor and empress. I told you the red color, the marching color for the Chinese people, especially when they have the big day. What's the big day? For example, the wedding.
Yun na. Bye na.
Ready na mag-buy yung iba?
Yeah.
Fish ni Kuya.
Oh, ready na oh. Nakaano na. Fele. Ay, dito pa.
Sorry again. No.
Toilet.
Later.
Ha? Ano to? Ano hindi?
Okay. Yeah, okay. Wait.
Mga ano?
Okay, this way please.
Nag-purchase.
I have one question for you. Did you have been to this hotel before? Yeah. Okay, the hotel located in Dubai. Like every same episode of the X5 the Tokyo Hotel. Okay, the first one is called the Fujimara. Okay, to a beauty Mara. Okay, Fujimara Hotel. Somebody called the 7-star hotel. 7-star. Okay, this way.
Please sit down.
Dito tayo sa harap bakla. Ano to? Matulog tayo? Palamig naman dito. Magbay daw si Doc. Dito na. Tingtingin lang. Touch, touch, touch.
Parang magandang madyong to ah.
Oh, yeah!
摸前面来就可以免费多摸一摸，来感受一下我们中国的丝绸它的特点好在哪里哦。
Okay, so now we can touch the
Oh, yan, saan ba?
Yes, you can hear it. Okay, then here you
Ay, yung ano, sa loob nito.
打开，来这样，Hello，帮他放手 relax，这样把它
Ay,
全部可以。
gitanggal na ni ate. Wow! Akala ko yung fiber lang na ano.
这个蚕丝大家不用担心哈，Hello can touch。
Touch, touch.
这个可以怎么样？也可以这样，看到
Okay,
吗？
saan?
Na.
Oh, spider web.
Pwede pang ano sa Halloween.
不用担心它会拉坏来的，因为一个缠结里面就是一根丝，一根丝它能够拉开的长度可以拉到800米长。
Okay, don't be worried. The silk quick will be not broken. So you want normally, so you want silk. I mean, it will be the 800 meters long. So it will be not broken. Don't worry. Okay, so not worry. Yeah,
Okay.
so like this, no problem.
这个不是一个缠结哦，这个最少有8000个缠结做
Okay,
出来
so
一个
they
杯。
are 8,000 the silk pupa in one. This one now, very very old one, and the new style, new design for you.
对，因为这一张的话，在我们菲律宾如果开了冷气，这个 cover 它很普通，只是下面有一层，上面有一层，开到冷气的时候要把这个被子要装进去的。
Okay, this one just for the cover. So if you want to use the silk quick, this one you have to put this one into the cover. You use it together.
但是这个有一点不好是什么？
Kulang.
还有这个，还有这个 cover，
Benta na sila.
总共就是有4件
Ganda.
东西在
Okay,
里面来
they are the 4 pieces in one set.
Wow! Wow!
Ang mayaman.
Bang mayaman.
Ang mayaman. Oh, natakot na to.
Wow! Nakakasilaw ah.
Ang mayaman. Pamahalap
看看有没有还有
na
其
to.
他的可以给他们看。
Sige lang, Tipil. Siguro pag natulog ka ano nito, hubad-hubad, mabubuntis ka na.
Hindi ka na magigising. Sobrang sarap ng tulog. Yan. Isa pa. Ayan. Nandito na kami sa labas. Naghintay na lang mga kasama namin na mag-purchase ng silk. Sila na bahala magano. Wala kaming planong bumili. From 3-4 na ano, isang set. Naging 3-3 na lang. May 3 set na ano, silk, tapos may parang comforter, saka tatlong scarf. Ang dami na. So sila na bahala dun. Waiting na for the next stop. Ano, parang East-West Market ata yung pupunta namin. Yung lamig dun? Time check. Anong ano kaya? Ilang degrees kaya? Check natin. Lamig pa rin eh. Wait. Oh, 14 degrees ngayon. Medyo hindi pala masyadong malamig. 14 degrees. Yo. Kami ngayon sa East-West Street. East-West Street ba to? Not sure. Basta yun yung nakalagay sa itinerary. Nilalamig na kami. Na-drop na daw yung ay go. Pero may hangin. Yung hangin, naiyak ko sa hangin talaga. Sobrang lamig. Ano yan? Fisherman's Wharf. Labubo! It's new Labubo. It's new Labubo. Librain man tayo ni Doc. Ganda naman ang bago, Feb. Librain mo kami, Doc. Choppy. Ay, choppy daw. I cannot hear. Yan. Ano yan dito? Entrance. May ano? Ay, magpasok pala tayo. O tara, andun na. Andun na. Yan. Dito.
Okay, everybody here, we go together. Okay, follow the Labubu.
Follow the Labubu.
Come in.
Let's go. Sige. Ay, traffic pala. Sige. to? Totoo ba to? Ha. Alright, it's a fake one. Ha. Ano yan? Ay. Ay, ay. Ano yun? Ay, baril. Da. Pak. Nice lagi yan. Oh. Wala kayo sa pin. Ano yan? Color chocolate or ano?
Ano? Oo. Walang lumulutang. Walang yellow submarine. Gets mo ah. Ano mo?
Pak. Picture. Ayan. Ay, ito. Ito yung butas. Yan, nandito kami ngayon sa sa elephant trunk. Yan. Elephant trunk. Punta pa sana kami doon, kaso 4:50. Meeting place namin dito, parang kulang naman. Pero libot-libot na lang kami. Bakla, libot na lang tayo. Tingin tayo ng mga foods. Uy. Oh. Hanap tayo. Mga foodang. Let's go. Hanap tayo ng food trip, be. Lakad muna, tingin-tingin muna tayo. Ayoko. Coconut milk. Ano yan? Mga hotdog.
Hotdog mo muna ka na mahalong hotdog sa tuwa.
Ha. Doon na, baka meron pa. Ah. Ano to? Ay, mga ano. Dito pala yung dulo ng ano. Oh. Yan. Malapit na tayo. Ayan. Ay, mag-boat pala ang papunta doon. Ay, okay. Boat pala. Check natin how much. How much? Ah, 50. Alright. 50 yuan per person. Ano? Rental selfie. Ah, Bambura papunta doon. Okay na yan? Okay din ang picture. Good ship na. Sayang pa yung 50 yuan. Yo. Libot na lang tayo. Food trip. Sana sila dock. Rice dock. One also.
One?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hot dog. 6 yen. For a while. Ay! I have 6 yen in here. 6 yen. Here? For a while. Wrong sen. Hong Kong. Here.
Yes.
You want?
Wait a minute.
Sure.
You want blue?
Yeah. Hot dog. Duck. Okay. Ang sarap siya.
Lemon tea. That's yours.
Thank you. Okay ka na, Doc? No, sige. Nagbay lang kami ng hotdog. Masarap nun siya, no? Pero parang ibang lasa lang. Pero ano siya? Yung pang Chinese na hotdog. Wala silang tender juicy dito. Ano ka ba?
Yeah, we are going to the better one.
Where are we going next?
Okay, later. After everybody here, I will tell you again. Yeah, because the different people ask me the same question, I will answer so many times. So everybody here, I will give you the answer. Don't worry. Okay, so your family are Pagoda and the Juchu Bridge, Glass Bridge, and the Big Benny, and the Asian South Gate. Okay, so now there is a very beautiful walking street. So if you want to have some shopping for the souvenirs or local food or another theme, so after that you have the free time. So now we're going to the midpoint. When we reach the meeting point, I will tell you more information. So if you want to go with me together, it's okay, no problem. If you don't want to go with me together, so you have the free time. I tell you what's the meeting point and what's the meeting time. Then you come back by yourself. Okay? Okay, let's go.
Sunod na lang. Ayan. Dito namin kayo sa pagoda. Asan ang glass bridge? Ay, kalamig. Mag-take tayo ng picture. Ay, saan na siya? Dali lang. Ay, Osmanthus cake. This one? Osmanthus cake.
Nobody, okay? Nobody, okay, go with me.
Alright. Dadaan kami sa ilalim ng bridge. Magalit yun siya.
Backstory.
Water check. Yan, water check. Accessible toilet. Yeah. What? Yo. Ah. Ano, glass bridge pero close siya. So sad. Anong tawag nito? Eh. Oo. May impress daw dyan.
So now this one is not original one, this is rebuilt one. Okay. On my right side we see this is a Big Banyan. Big Banyan is almost 400 years. Okay, 400 years. So this one, okay. On my 400 years. 400 years. Okay, on my left hand side we see the West Bridge. The name of the West Bridge is called the Jochi Bridge. Okay. The Jochi Bridge is located at the center of the Sun Lake. The name of the lake is called the Sun Lake. So we can go through the whole bridge and take photos and we'll come back. Okay,
Here.
come back. Yeah. This is the ending of the Jochi Bridge. Okay. You can go to the head of the Jochi Bridge
How many
directly.
minutes?
Minimum 15 minutes, then come back another 15 minutes here.
Oh.
So this is destination for the whole tour today. After we finish the tour here, so we come back with the theme way. Okay. The meeting time is 6:30. 6:30. So
6:30.
Alright,
we still have
6:30.
45 minutes here.
And punta tayo dito sa gitna. Yun. Lakad-lakad. Yun lang. Yun lang siya. Ayun na yan. Tapos dadaan siya dun. Perfect. Alright, we're going back now to our pick-up point. Meeting point pala, meeting point. Sa may pagoda banda.
Sa America.
Yeah.
Old America.
Tapos baka naka-on na yung mga ilaw doon. Siyempre mag-picture ulit kami. Diba?
Of course, ulitin.
Yes. Sweetin. Ay, pahinga na. Last day na bukas. Nakakapagod siya pero enjoy naman. Di ba, Doc?
Oo. Basta
Sulit-sulit na lang para sulit ang bayan. Ay! Sila Ay, 9% na lang ako bakla. Sakto lang pagbalik sa sa meeting up point natin. Ayan. Ito yung baba ng bridge. Malinis yung nila, no? River dito. May nagalinis, manggod. We're going now to our dinner place. Saan?
makabili tayo ng maraming kwan.
The meeting point here. Okay, Each welcome walking street over there. You can see the small bar over there. And that's the main entry for the East Western Walking Street.
Ay! Wow! Ang sarap!
需要深考的顾客，请到上海西门企。
Seafood buffet na kami. Ito yung ano, $100. Kasama sa $100 na option of tour.
尊敬的各位顾客，烧烤请考生好，点心间中午。需要烧烤的顾客，请到
Oh,
烧烤
bakla, wear me.
饭里先全体员工
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Dito ka kasi. Sino dyan?
Huwag kayo mag-away. Mag-away na naman kayo.
请到烧烤西门企。饭里先全体员工感谢您的支持与谅解。
Tissue. Thank you. Dalawa tayo. Foods. Wow! May barbecue. Bet. Tea. Ano ba yan? Sabaw. Ano meron dito? Ay, ito sabaw bakla. Okay. Alright. Magtingin-tingin muna ako ng mga foods yan.
Ang dami. T-shirt.
Doon sa kabila. Na. Uy, nice lagi pa ano to. Parang shawarma. May bulat-lag eh.
Meron.
Ano yan? Bulat. Bulat. Ay, ito. Mga sauce. Tapos may drinks. Ano to? Drinks. Dessert. Good. Ayan, let's go. Let's go.
Watermelon.
Meron pa yan second batch later. Ito yung beef ko.
Hindi, nandun na. Gawa na.
Ikaw.
Kunin mo lang, lagyan mo na ng ice.
Share na lang yan. Share na lang yan. Alright. Share. Hindi, akin na lang tong beef.
Share.
May wagyu ba yun?
Ano yung sabi dito? Ano yung after, hindi natin siya hintay dahil sumabay punta sa expressway. Kita na tayo 9 o'clock.
Fight.
Sarap.
Sarap. Perfect na.
Sige.
Galing-galing talaga ni Ate April.
Of course. Nakiyak ko yun.
Nag-outfit na si Doc. Ayan, good morning. This is our last day in China. Pauwi na kami. After ng tour, mga 5 p.m. punta na kami ng airport kasi yun ang aming flight schedule.
5 hours pa.
Ayun. Bye. Oh! Let's go! Alright, nandito na kami sa ano, sa bus. Going kami sa last which is yung hindi namin napuntahan kapag yung Osmanthus siya.
magandang umaga po. Good morning, 早上
Kasi yung Shangyan, scenic area, napunta na namin kahapon. So yung Sun and Moon Pagoda, ano na lang, ayan, Persia, Patient, Soundgate, and ayun, yung mga pending nung day 4 na hindi namin napuntahan.
Last night I told you if you book the passport.
So, jewelry shop. Oh, it's raining. It's raining here. Not in Manila. In Guilin. It's raining. Yeah. Iblesengan pa kami dito. Yan. Buti na lang meron akong cup na dala. You know. Dito sa ano yan? Global Nature Mineral Crystal Museum. Yun. Oh, shit! Doc!
Makakuha magintay ko ano?
Ha?
Voucher sa Hong Kong.
Oh, kasi 6 p.m. onwards yun. Pero napin natin yung Hong Kong ano tourism desk. Doon makuha. Oh, sayang pa yun. Isang ramen pa yun.
The Crystal Museum here, the lady, the young lady is working in the Crystal Museum, so she will tell us some information about the museum or also the crystal here. Because although she cannot speak English, so I will be the translator again. But before that, I have to tell you, because some of the words is very professional and complicated for me. I try my best to translate. Okay. When we are in the building, so it's no smoking area, so we cannot touch the crystal with our hand. Okay, we take look. Okay, we can take photo inside, video photo inside. Okay, no problem.
那我们这边请啊。
Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
Mga pilyante ng mga luso ha?
Oh. Happy April! Hi! Good morning! Good morning! Hello, scary! Parang sa ano? Ay, ano lang po.
After 2000 or the more time, so finally we can try to crystal and this original, so we see this okay, is working out.
里面参观的就是北岸。
Ay, dito palang daanan. Ha? Andito palang daanan. Saka pa magdaanan. Ala, papasok na tayo! Bakla! Oh my God! Anong kuweba papasok? Bastos mo yan si Doc. Oy, si Doc ba?
Wala kasi yan sabi.
Bastos si Doc.
Okay, now we see the different color of the crystal. Okay, this is the purple one, the blue one, and the green one. Yeah, green one, the red one. Also the white one. Yeah, we see the four different color of the crystal here.
Crystal. Record.
Pero pwede video.
Ay, ito nice.
Elsa, is that you? Si Elsa.
Ito yan.
Okay, so everybody see the movie. The name of the movie is the Superman. You know?
Yes, me!
Superman did. Okay, Superman did. Not the crystal. When the enemy show the crystal to the Superman, so the Superman feels weak. So, this is in the movie. The movie, yeah. Superman here. Okay, so this is a tip of the male. So they can take another can of crystal from the male. Yeah. Okay, so this is Walker. So he is doing underground. They take the crystal. Yeah. He is manufacturing the crystal with a small machine here.
Ayan, malaki.
Original crystal.
Wow. Super big.
Okay, just like animal, you know what the name of the animal? Look at
Sheep.
animal. What?
Buffalo.
No.
Buffalo wings.
No, just like the male lion. Male lion. Yeah,
Male lion?
Yeah.
Lion. Oo nga, lion.
Okay, this is the gift of the lion. It's a party of the lion.
Oh, crystal yan.
Yeah, of course. Picture, video.
Kakaiba lagi yan. Yan.
Okay, so take a look. This is a kind of stone. Okay, the people find the stone. It is the Guizhou province. Guizhou province. Guizhou province is located in the southern part of the China. Okay, this is the original one. So, okay, we take a look. You can find the two different animals on this stone. Two different animals on this stone. You can guess what kind of animal. Yesterday, so we went to the silk factory. So I told you, the dragon represents the emperor, the princess represents the queen. So we take a look. So yes, the two kind of animal. One is dragon, another one is phoenix.
Phoenix?
Yeah, phoenix. Yeah, dragon and phoenix together. Okay, use your imagination. So where is the dragon? Where is the phoenix?
Finding the phoenix.
Actually, I don't know. I just get information from the Chinese press. Okay.
Huh. Oh, what is that?
Now we take a look at this review. So this crystal is from the Hunan one. Okay, from. So take a look. Yeah, another animal. You can guess it.
That's two animals.
Yeah,
It's bunny.
No, some of them they look like the rabbit.
Bunny, yeah, but two bunny having mate.
But just use your imagination way from the different direction. It's where maybe the animal will be the different. The real is the kind of real creature.
Wow.
Ginseng, yeah, the wild ginseng. In China, if you want to buy the wild ginseng, so the price will be expensive. Yeah. Because the ginseng is very good for our health. You can put the ginseng into the water or into the alcohol. After that, you can drink the tea or water and the alcohol with the ginseng together. Very good. Okay, this one is looks like ginseng. This stone is also most important in this museum. To just show you that. Okay, just now the lady told me is last month one businessman want to pay the money by this one. They want to pay the 3 billion yuan. 3 billion yuan. They want to buy this one, but the boss said, no, I cannot sell it to you because this one is most important for me and also for the museum. Okay, we'll just take a look and take a photo from outside. So will be not sale to another. Hi. So, okay, Chinese is called the Jixue. That means this is the bloodstone. Blood, B-L-O-O-D, bloodstone. Because there is blood color, the red color, red color and the stone, the very special. So we only can find this kind of stone in green shade and green shade. Yeah.
Wow.
Green and the red color together. The color is the natural color. What is this? Bloodstone. Yeah, bloodstone.
这个也是水晶，水晶。
Crystal quartz.
Okay, this is another color of the crystal. Okay, take a look because a lot of the small pagoda, yeah, small pagoda.
Small pagoda?
Yes, a lot of small pagoda on the stone. It's natural one, yeah, it's not man-made. Yeah, from the Brazil, it's from Brazil.
Yun. Grabe. Lalaki ng mga crystals.
Also, there's another very special stone here.
然后它因为产这种东西，就是要靠人的去雕刻出来，把它切皮之后才能够哦，就这个意思。那你跟他们讲，这些的话就转管了，博物馆相关节是这样子，转这个翡翠馆，转入翡翠馆之后呢，就不要拍照，因为里面的东西受版权。
Dami pa.
这边的话，基本的是里面，然后的话上完只有电话7号去展示。
Okay, so now we're going to the crystal museum. Now what we do the next one is called Jade Exhibition Center. Okay, we go this way. Yeah, Jade.
I don't know, may change that.
Jade.
Siguro sila discard dito bumili ng crystal.
Okay, the CR, someone from the CR.
CR.
Okay, the tissue.
Tapos na kami sa jewelry shop. Hindi ko alam kung saan naman ang next namin na stop. Basta sunod-sunod lang kami. Tapos dapat mga 3 PM nandun na kami sa airport. Since mga 5 PM something yung aming flight. Right. Kami dito sa parang market ata to eh. Kasi may mga isang hilera dito, puro market. Sarap mamili. Kaso pauwi na. Last day na. Ay! Shit! Yeah. go, Doc. Proceed to second floor. It's full. Fully load. Fully load. Ito, wala to. Ay, ito. Second floor. Ano to?
Anong floor?
Second floor.
Ah, dito.
Pwede pa. Second floor.
Oh, dito, pwede pa. Tutunog naman pagka ayaw na eh.
Alright.
Magre-reklamo.
Ah. Yan. Ay! Minute maid pala bakla. And we're here na our last lunch here in Guilin, China. Sakto, konti lang kinain ko kanina kasi paulit-ulit lang yung foods. Walang pagbabago. I want meat. Doon tayo. Ah, shit! Ay, bongga ka.
Sitting down, sitting down. Ito ka na, honey.
Ah? Doon ka, Doc. Ah, dito daw ako. Si Doc na. Tapos na ako. Hoy, ikaw na.
Hindi ako nagpa-pray.
Yoy, katabi niya, harap niya na yung OLPGB, pero hindi siya nag-ano.
Itiis na ako.
Di ba Notre Dame ka?
Ate Cory dyan.
Last lunch here is next week.
May mga first week. Wala, grabe, uy. Last week.
Any week today.
Saan mo? Gusto mo na?
Naisip ko pa.
And pa mga food. So, ano to no, Doc?
Mark, ikaw daw mag-pray.
Hindi ako mag-pray. Ha?
Alright. Ay, bakla. Ay, sweet. Ayan, Doc. Ayan mo na. Ayan. Osmanthus tea. Tingnan mo bakla. Ano yung Osmanthus tea? Ayan. Osmanthus tea. Mas turo sa amin ganyan daw. Na. Ay, mali pala.
Baba to. Tapos gano'n.
Na. Aray kayo. Main muna. Tapos,
Sige ha. Wala na
igargaw ng 5 seconds. Tapos yun. It's na. Ah! Burikache. Hi, Jem. Hi, Joy. Sino pa? Hi, Dada.
May mga balikache.
Hi, mga burikache. Mga buring. Sama na kayo next time.
Sayang na.
Okay.
Jem, gusto mo yan, Jem?
Jem.
Gusto mo yan?
Failing.
Doktor yan.
Failing.
Pwede.
So, Doc, ano masasabi mo kay Jem? Ayaw mo mag-tea, Doc? Osmanthus tea?
Coke lang tayo. Coke na.
Coke is
Basahin
life.
mo, Jem. Basahin mo.
Na, ayan si Ate April. Busog ka na ba, Ate April?
Yan yung Haponesa.
Na Haponesa. Ano kaya yan tawag? Arigato? Ay, arigato. Yung hi. Hi sa...
Haponesa na yakuza.
Hi sa Japanese. Ano?
Hi din sa Japanese.
Hi din siya? Ayun, hi din daw.
Ano yun?
May ginatawag sila. Ano yan?
Ano nga yun?
Ohayou gozaimasu. Ohayou gozaimasu.
Konnichiwa.
Nice. Perfect. Yeah. Ano, gusto mo rin?
No.
Ayan yung nag-organize ng tour. ng Guin Tour. Ano, PM nyo na lang ang Retro Travel and Tours for more tours, international and local tours.
Majensan Tours.
Sudeto man, oy!
Ako naka-offer ng Jensen.
Ito rin sa Bacolod. Bacolod Friends. Anong pangalan ng ano yung ate?
Can Travel and Tours.
Kuken Travel and Tours. Located sa SM.
SM South Mall sa Bacolod.
Oh, sa mga Bacolod Friends. Mga paryente pala. Oh, mga ano man, Ilonggo. Dira ka mamakadto. Mag-book ka mo dira. May bago kaming Chinese doctor. Bago lang siya nag-train.
Shaman na ako ngayon.
Tapos ano na siya? Ano na siya?
Chinese
Dalawang master siya, Besh.
Ano, master?
Tea Master and Jade Master. Wow!
Marunong na ako magtingin eh.
Pele.
Kadali niya natuto. Oh my God.
Oh, bright good.
Fast learner. Clap, clap, clap. I'm so proud with my friend.
Bayarin.
Dito kami ngayon sa Osmanthus Tree. I like Gilin. Ano? Tapos na. Mamaya, pagbalik.
Tapos ka na?
Oo, nagdiretso ka kasi doon. Ayan. Dami ng Hindi mo napansin kanina pagbaba? Balik na tayo dito may... Nan. Osmanthus. Dito ko lang nalaman yung Osmanthus na yan. Sikat siya dito sa China. Di ba bakla na may cake, may tea, ano pa ba? May chips, pabango, sabon, lotion. Dito tayo. Ayan naman ang mga budo. Budol na naman.
Dapat yung jowa ko pala
Ang jowa ka ng Chinese.
Hindi ko sinabi mag-jowa ko ng Chinese. Marunong ako mag-Chinese. Hindi Chinese.
Mas maganda man Chinese. Para legit. Oh, madulas. Osmanthus Tree Resort and Spa. Hindi ko alam basahin yan. Yan. Wow! Amazing!
Pasok ka na sa portal, bakla. Oo. Ay, perfect. Perfect. Ay, ako to.
Ayan. Dito yung history ng Osmanthus. Yan. Distribution of Osmanthus. Wow! May show.
Duling ka na. Sobrang laki.
She gifted Moon. She had a very beautiful white garment with great occasion. Okay, she is great in the
Avatar. This is Avatar ba? Ha? Oh, masay. Oh. Anti di ba kiba Avatar? Eh, pwede di ba kiba? Ah, eh, pwede di ba kiba? Eh, mga Shanghai. Beijing. Pwede. Ay, Shanghai pwede. Shanghai pwede. Shanghai pwede siya. Ah. Shanghai pwede siya. Shanghai pwede.
Pwede na kami ginagawa.
Ay, puno pala yan. Wow, wow, wow,
Sige ka
wow.
na.
Wow, dami. Wow! Oh. Bakla.
Yun yung
Puno pala yun. Puno?
ang hingin ko.
Aboda.
Pag spring, mabango sobrang nandiyan.
Ayun na yung elephant, ano? Or balloon
Pwede
keme.
pala huwag ka naman punta ng Winin eh. Ito nag-order mo, anak mo na eh.
Okay na.
Okay. Done na. Ah, ito pala. Osmanthus. Yan. The Osmanthus. Cameroon. Picture natin. Yan.
Including the function of the augmenter. So now, okay, on our profile side, you will see
Yan. Nakain? Masarap yan. Nice. So.
Okay, so this is the augmented Y. So, okay, some foreign leader comes to China. So our leader also is coming from that country.
Oh.
Always have a
May beer.
augmented Y.
There's a beer. Beer or wine?
Also,
Wine.
sometimes also national
有
gift.
28度和18度。
Okay, they have the two different augmented wine. The first one is just 18, yeah, just 18 centigrade. Another 18度多少度
28
Okay, another one is 28 centigrade. So this is different augmented wine. So 28 centigrade is much stronger. Yeah. Okay, come here. Amazing place where shot. Okay, okay na.
Baka lang specific.
Wow.
Wow!
Okay, take photo. So I will post that side. You will see this
Sure,
is
bakla.
dry or the mango flower.
Tita, pagawa ko ganyan, bago pumasok sa gold ng gold mo, ganito dapat. Kunyari gold mo,
Wow!
tita.
Osmanthus tea. Nice.
Yeah, this is real one and fake one. Dry or the mango flower.
Old house. Ayo.
Tita, dapat gawa.
Ay. Ayo.
Ano, ilagay mo sa bahay mo.
Tapos magulat ka, no?
Pagbukas mo, ay!
Sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan, mga teta?
Nakala ko totoong babae. Wala.
Yan.
Ayan ako sa
Ito yung factory nila. Ito na. Budol is life in here. Grabe ka bango, bakla.
Libre na si Mark pabango.
Wow.
Saan yung pabango dito?
Dahil lang.
Ito. Wow. Ang dami namang Osmanthus.
Wow, 698 oh.
Gagi.
Mahal ko eh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ito. 198.
Ano, discount ka, iwan. 10 months pa dahil na ba?
Osmanthus. Wine Osmanthus. 18%. Yan.
Lang ito?
Iba-iba. Ito.
Murag ano, gold. Sa ganina.
Kamote. Ito.
Buy 3, get 1 free.
Ang sa masarap.
Parang masarap yung pink.
Pink, mas masarap.
Yan, masarap yan? Tikit
Oh.
eh, parang masarap yung nugat na yan.
Ito, masarap. White. Saka yung pink. Masarap to. Saka yung white. Dami na kaming pasalubong. Hindi na kaya. Hindi na kaya ang bumili. Osmanthus, ano? Ano to? Ano to? Bunga niya to? Bunga? 28.
May ganyan, wala namang free taste. Kaya nga, asan? Walang free taste.
Di mo pa iskim, be.
Hoy! Yan.
Sana ang iskim.
Wow!
Ayaw ko lang. Ayan,
Ice
tatlayin
cream.
lang. Mango ice cream. Gusto mo yung dry?
Sige.
Sige, bayaran mo. Ito yung aking Gcash ko. Ikaw naman pa.
Buang. Gamitin po. Yan.
Mantos yung numero.
Osmanthus ice cream. Where to order? Ay, here.
Okay, you just hear the this menu for all kind of the adventure.
Osmanthus here.
Lagi, lagi.
There is from Dajiang, made in China. This one.
Where? Ah, GoPro.
Oh, okay.
GoPro. Okay. 18.
Base.
154.
Successful lagi siya.
Oo,
Hindi na siya
bakit?
yung guys sa iba good day nung sa iba mag-click-click, okay ka pa.
Oh, diretso na siya. Wow! Wow! Ay, sige sa'yo. Ito na lang sa akin. Ice cream. Parang tag 75 pesos. Sheshe.
91.
Wow! Osmanthus ice cream.
Hindi ka na
The tea, ay, very well. Yan. Para siyang madairy na lasang jasmine. Much better kung gusto yung mag-try ng Osmanthus. Try nyo muna yung mga cake, mga tea. Lasang ano no, jasmine na madairy.
Nasa perfume.
Basta, ang ano ko, madairy na ano, lasang jasmine. Tabakan rin yung perfume nila. Simono. Yan. Ayan yung ano. Kadaming linog. So, yung persimmon na.
Mini siya, hindi siya talaga malaki.
Oo.
Kaya hindi na binabalat na siya direct.
Ay! Uyan na. Papunta ng airport. Bye!